Second and goal from the 4-yard line after a loss of 1. Fake to Clark. Myler rolls, throws to the goal line, caught by Clark for the touchdown.
That's just cohesion. The sprint out by Myler finds his back in the right flat. It was wide open. The chase was on for the. Davis comes in motion. They fake the orbit sweep and wide open in the end zone for a touchdown. It's Lowell Patron, his 3rd touchdown of the season. Check out Myler. Great field vision, and Patron, one of the easier touchdowns. Can never give up on a lead in indoor football. Mevis, rocket shot towards the upright. He got it. It's a deuce for Andrew Mevis. My goodness, we told you he's got the best leg in the league, and he gives them 2 points.
4th and goal at the 2-yard line. Pirates got to get it in. Bahar, 2-step drop, tipped and incomplete. What a play by Kevin Ransom. Well, does Gable have a deuce in it? He's going to try it. It's going to be short, coming up about 3 yards deep in the end zone, and this is Davis. Davis already up to midfield, still going along the far wall.
23-12.
How about Allen Henry in as the blocking back for the push, and Myler will keep it himself for the touchdown. Here it's 1st and 10 at the 20-yard line. Hand off to Williams. Look out. Nothing doing as he is met by Trayvon Lofton.
Lofton's one of the best defensive players in the league. 2 years ago, IFL Defensive Player of the Year.
And he's going to try to just keep it in play, and this ball is taken at the 4-yard line by Davis, who had a great return last time. This time he's across the 20 up to about the 22-yard line. Williams on the far side. Clark on the near side. And they're looking Williams way now down the middle. Complete touchdown. It goes to Patron for his 2nd touchdown catch of the day, 4th of the season.
This offense is a riddle for the Pirates defense. And a lot of defenses, I have a feeling, are going to be saying the same thing whenever they face Max. Bahar's played well. It's just a matter of not enough defensive pressure to sustain it for him.
Here's a deep toss down the far side and intended for Zico, broken up by Canada, incomplete.
Ball hung up too long. Bahar going for the big shot, but Williams, a local product from Dean College in Franklin, Mass.
Yeah.
And by way of Nashua, New Hampshire.
So, across the middle, complete. That is Patron, who has 2 touchdown receptions today. 1st down and a lot more across the 15 till about the 14-yard line.
That's what makes Max Myler so difficult to defend, his ability to move the pocket.
On the near side. And Myler wants to throw wide open is Davis for the touchdown. Wow. For Davis, his 2nd touchdown reception. And Mevis is on for the extra point.
That's something he hasn't had in many years.
3:30 on the clock. And Kenji goes down the middle, intercepted, picked off by Ransom. Kevin Ransom will pick him off at the 5-yard line. And Green Bay has a turnover with 3:23 on the clock here in the 3rd.
Bahar off target for the first time. I think it was deflected at the line of scrimmage. And that created a knuckleball effect for Ransom.
It looks to be a 46-yard field goal. Placement down. His kick is on the way, and this one is good. Good hands in traffic. Takes a hit. Here is Josh Gable. He
3 catches and 3 touchdowns
into
for
this one. It's about 5 yards deep. It is Davis. Davis up to the 5, to the 10. Flag on the play. Davis out to the 20. Still going. Now he's whistled down.
So they picked the flag up.
No foul in the play.
Davis eludes the first defender. Then hits the wall, which would have stopped him.
Green Bay trying to punch it in and
Watch
add
out
to
for
that
the tush
5-point
push.
lead. And they push Myler right into the end zone. Myler with his second rushing touchdown of the day, 8th of the season. Bahar went deep to Thomas Owens for a touchdown. Here's Bahar from the goal line with time. He is airing it out, and it's incomplete. Good coverage on the play as it was 1:56 and time ticking away.
Body language not good right now for the Pirates either.
Coulter to the far side. Owens will be in high motion with Redding. And Owens was tackled before he got to the goal line, more or less. But not going to happen. 1:37 to go, and the Pirates will turn it over on down, 47-35. This is his game. Going to run forward, keeps the clock moving, positive yards, and that will do it. Green Bay going to win this game by a score of 47-35 over the Pirates.